friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you our next assembly model, that is ram bottom safety wall. In this model you can see one spring is in between, and in the upper portion there is lever to pull it out, and in the bottom side you can see two nuts are placed here on a shaft or shackle. I have this 2D sketch of it so that you can see it easily, that how we have to make the assembly. So let's start to begin it. Go to new, select assembly, click OK. Take components of folder, select body, then press Ctrl. So that we can select all the components of our assembly. First one, body, lever, place it nearby so that we can easily assemble all of them. So now we have placed all the components. Our first component, that is body, that is already fully defined. Here you can see the minus sign in feature manager tree. It shows minus sign because it is not a fully defined and it is not fixed now. Here all the components, it is not necessary to fix it all. Only few components will be fixed here, like nut, spring, shackle or any other component. Let's start to begin it. Go to assembly, select mate. First select this wall sheet, select this bottom surface, select here this face, so that make the relation concentric. Okay. Now drag this wall sheet to upward side, upward direction. Select this face and this top face of body. Make here relation coincident. Okay. Now select this cut face and this face. Make sure it will be parallel, so add relation parallel here, click OK. Now here select this face of wall and this inner face of wall sheet. You can see here it automatically make the relation concentric. Click OK. Now lift this wall upward in upward direction. Select this face and this face. It make it coincident, so click OK. Exit. Now if you want any duplicate components here, we can add here by using press CTRL and press the component that you want. You have another option by clicking on insert components also. Both the ways are same, only in this you have to select your keyboard control plus select the component, or otherwise you can choose this also. It is up to you. Now again go to mate, select this face and this face, make it concentric. OK. Lift this. Now go on bottom side, select this face and this, coincident, add finish. Now here select this face and this face, coincident, add finished. Same as it is, we have to place this here, so select this face and this inner face, make it concentric. OK. Drag this component to upward direction, choose this face and this face. OK. Now in our sketch they have shown one pivot here, we have to place it on one side. So our pivot is here. Select this face and this inner face, make it concentric. OK. Then also it is in motion, so select this vertex point and here it is one vertex point, as you can see here. Click, it make coincident, click OK. But then also it moves by dragging with our mouse. So select this face and this face, it make it parallel, so keep as it is, click OK. Now our pivot has fixed. Now as you see here, minus sign has gone, it means it is now fully defined. These all are in underdefined condition, but that's not mean that it will be always be fully defined. Now drag this lever, go to mate in assembly, select this face and this face, make it coincident. OK. Now select this inner face, cut extrusion, and this cut extrusion, make it concentric. Okay. Now here you can see it is now also under defined condition, so drag this upward, select the vertex point and this point, make it coincident. Okay. So as you can see here, our lever is now fully defined. Now here we have to fix two components, that is pin and split pin. So now go to mate again, select the pin, and this pin, make it concentric. Okay. Select the face and this face, make it coincident. Okay. Now here we have to place one pin here in this hole. So our split pin is here. Select this pin face, select this face of pin, and this whole face. Now change the alignment by using make alignment, align it. Okay. Now select this face and this face, make it parallel. Okay. Make sure it will be some gap here so that our pin will not be stick here. It is in under defined condition only, keep it as it is. Now we have to place one washer in this square hole. So select this face and this face, make it coincident. Select this face and this face, make it coincident. Okay. Select this face and this, make it coincident. Okay. Click on OK on mates. Now our washer also fully defined, minus sign has gone. Now we have to place our next component, that is shackle. So select this face and this topper face of washer, make it coincident. Okay, drag this here. Now simply select this face and this face, make it coincident. Then also it is not been placed properly. In order to place this properly, select this face and this face, click on coincident. Then also see that it will properly fully defined or not. You can see here the selected component is fully defined, it cannot be moved. It means that the minus sign has gone. Now click OK. Again go to assembly, mate. Now we will place our two nuts. As you can show, bigger nut will be on upper side and the lock nut will be on downward side, downward in direction also you can say. Now first select this whole extrusion face and this face, make it relation concentric. Okay, we have to lift this upward, so select this face and this face, make it coincident. Okay, then also it is not in fully defined or not in fixed condition, so select this face and this, make it parallel. Now our bigger nut is fully defined. Now select this face and this, same as it is, make it concentric. Okay, select this face and this, or cancel this relation. Again go to mates, select this and this, make it parallel or make coincident only. Okay, make sure it is fully defined but not now. To make this fully defined, select this plane top surface of lock nut and this bottom surface. Now it is coincident, click OK. Now the link should be placed here, so select this extrusion face and this, make it concentric, add, select this face and this face, make it coincident. Okay, lift this on upward direction by choose any side or any edge, You can see here it is not in concentric relation, so add this, select this cut extrusion face and this, make it concentric. Okay, now here also I want to be placed here this link, so exit this mate, click Ctrl and drag this component by choosing left click. I will show you. Or here also I have to fix pin and split pin in this both holes. So another I will make components copy of this pin and split pin. First of all, I will fix this on this surface, so go to mate, select this plane and this surface, make it coincident. Okay, select this surface and this surface, make it coincident. Now it says over defined it, so I will delete this relation. Select this face and this, make it concentric. Okay, now here choose this surface and this surface, make it coincident. Okay, here you can see it is not in concentric. To make this concentric, I will choose this face and this face, make it concentric. Okay, let's see it is fully defined or not. Here you can see they have written here. Now fix this both the component like link and shackle. Go to select this plane of pin to this, make it concentric. Select this face and this face, make it coincident. Okay, now here also we have to place one pin here, so select this split pin face and this cut extrusion surface, make it concentric. एक now select this surface and this, make it parallel. Okay, here you can see there is no gap in between, remain as it is. select this face and this face. Okay. Now select this face, select this face, make it coincident. Okay. Select this face, split pin, and this extrude cut face, make it concentric here. Drag this component to inner side. Now select this face and this face, or keep it remain as it is. Now also you can choose this face and this, make it parallel, or you can align it also. Okay. To rotate this component, I will go to scroll down linear component pattern, move component, scroll down, use rotate component, select this, but it shows that it is fully defined, so it cannot rotate. Let it be. Now our last component, that is spring. To fix this on in between this hole and this hole, as you can see here, I will go to assembly, mate, scroll down here. Now here go to body, select front plane of the body. Here go to spring, scroll down in spring, go to right plane, make it relation coincident, add finish. Now again choose front plane of spring. Now here scroll down in body, take right plane here. You can see our spring has moved in this body, in between the body, so make this coincident. Okay. It will be in underdefined condition. To fix this properly, select this face and this, make it tangent, click OK. See that it is placed in proper holes or not. Now select this face and this, make this also tangent, same as it is, click OK. Now go to exit. or select any relation tangent and OK, but it will say over defined, so close this. Now our assembly has completed, you can see here. Or you can also see in section view. Okay. See as it is that we have created. You can change also background in assembly by choosing plain white, perspective. Now our assembly is completed. Share our channel to your friends. For watching this, thank you, so that we can make another project models for you. Thank you for watching it. Okay, bye.